Okay, here we go. This is my current helmet. I've had it for about nearly 8 years, I think, looking back at the pictures. Certainly appeared on the pictures for the last 8 years. It's a Kask, you can see there, Kask Mojito, a Kask Mojito, and it served me well. I'm still using it. I was using it just a few days ago when I was out in the rain of West Yorkshire, but it is showing its age. You can see here a lot of the plastic has been cracked, not because I've hit it on the floor, but simply through old age. It's all a bit faded. This is really the reason why I'm replacing it, because of these sharp edges here. And when I lift my leg over the back of the bike, when this has been attached to the rear pannier rack, my legs get caught on there and it can be quite painful. And also in the rain, as it was last week, when I lift the hood over the back of my head, then again I'm terrified that my expensive raincoat will get damaged, ripped by these sharp edges. Inside, well, again, to say it's 8 years old and I've worn it so much, it's not in bad condition. It's coming apart a little bit, but hey, that all sticks together when you've got your head in it. But anyway, it was time for a replacement. This one cost me, I think it was about £110 back 8 years ago. But it's about to meet its maker because it is now being replaced. And it is being replaced by, no surprise, another Kask. I ordered this one last week from Merlin Cycles over in Lancashire somewhere, and it's just arrived this morning. You can see it is, as it says here, a product of Italy. A few more details. It's a large size to fit my head, 59 to 62 centimetres. It's called a Valegro. The Mojito is no longer made, and it's white. Well, I hope it's white. I've yet to open the box, but here we go. Kind of in a drawer-like thing. Put that to one side. Whoop. They've sent me something. What's that? Blocks Energy Chews. So thank you, Merlin Cycles, for that. Oop. Wasn't expecting that. Looks like a neck warmer. Ah, no, it's a bag for your helmet. Goodness me. Perhaps when you spend as much as I've spent, and this has cost me £130, that's what they do nowadays. Well, there you go. A bag for my helmet. More information here. Are you sure you know everything about this helmet? Open this envelope, read and discover. Enjoy your ride. Use and Care Booklet. Hey! And look at that. In many different languages. I'll perhaps read that later on today. Okay, there's nothing else in there except a lot of writing on there. So I can put all that to one side. And we are left with the new helmet. Right. My initial impression is that it looks very small compared to my old one, so I hope it fits. I do hope it fits. But you can see there, nice and smooth. My rain jacket is never going to get caught on there, not for the moment anyway. It's extremely light as well, goodness. Yeah, that's distinctly heavier than that, which is very, very light, which is a good thing, I suppose. But yeah, it's quite compact. Interestingly, there's padding here. One of the reviews online said that there was no padding here, and it meant that moisture dripped down your forehead, but there is actually quite a lot of padding there, so perhaps they've changed this since they actually brought it out. It says, wearing a Valegro helmet may cause a passion for cycling. Category performance. Ooh, yeah. I'm going to leave that on just in case it doesn't fit me. But that looks very, very comfortable, very light, very aerodynamic. Right, here we go. You're not going to see this bit, but I am going to try it on to see if it does indeed fit me. And yes, it does. Brilliant. That's actually that's a really comfortable fit. And if I crank, yeah, wow, that is. Again, the online review that I watched the other day did say that this was the wrong shape for the chap's helmet, but perhaps he thought if you had a more rounded head it would be a good fit, and that probably describes me. So there we have it. That is the Kask Valegro large size in white, and that is my new cycling helmet. All I need to do now is put it on and go for a cycle.